Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we're doing Barbie because why not? If there's any time of year when it's perfect to do Barbie, it is spring summer, okay? So I'm doing inspired makeup look, so not 100% exact, but I will tell you all about that in the video. So without further ado, what I already have on is my everyday makeup, and I can link that up here if you want it. That is the base that I have for my makeup. The only thing I changed up is the position of the blush, which I put here instead of here. That's the only difference. Today I want to be working with two different eyeshadow palettes, and the first one that I want to go in with is the Makeup Revolution Mother of Dragons in Khal, which is this one right here. And I want to take my Essence eye blender brush that looks like this, just because this is small enough to give me that thin line that I want while still making it blended. I'm also going to take this color and put it on my lower lash line. Make sure you don't get it in the waterline, but underneath it where your lashes are, and maybe about halfway or something along those lines. Then I am taking a flat brush like so and going in with the same color on my lower lashes. Then I'm going in with the next color, and I'm taking the color from the NYX eyeshadow palette Ultimate. I know that's bright, and I'm going in with this pink right here. And I'm taking the flat brush from before, but I wiped off any excess product, and I'm just going to put that on my actual eyelid. Then I'm taking the same eye blender brush as before, but with no product on it, And I'm just going to blend the lower lash line. If I look at the Barbie that I grew up with, they actually have brown and pink above it and a natural champagne like color on the lid, and then obviously the same brown right here. So obviously I don't want to put the pink here. I want to have more pink. That's why I'm saying Barbie inspired. So I put the pink on the lid instead of above it. Then this would have been thinner, obviously, because you need to work with the space you have. But that is the difference from actual Barbie that I grew up with. The next thing that I want to go in with is eyeliner, and I'm taking the H&M Dipliner Ink that looks like this. And I'm just gonna line my lid, line my eyes. And I do have an eyeliner tutorial, and I'll try to link it up here for you if you want to know how to do it. Then it's time for mascara, and I just want to curl my lashes first. Then I'm taking the Maybelline Colossal mascara that looks like this and putting that on my upper and outer half of my lower lashes. Then I want to put on some black eyeliner for my upper waterline, but only about halfway, maybe a little bit more than half. And I do this before I put on fake lashes because it's just going to make it easier to apply it in the right areas. So to do this, I'm taking just a twist up eyeliner that looks like this. It has no brand name, and I'm going to be phasing it up and into the lash line, making sure that my pupil is looking in another direction and relaxing my eye so it doesn't hurt. You don't want to bring it all the way in because it's easy for that to transfer down to the waterline on your lower lashes throughout the day, and that's just gonna make it look messy. Then I'm taking the Catrice called Kajal in 020 Tweed White that looks like this, and I'm going to put that on the lower waterline actually, but I'm going to put it up all the way. And then it's time for fake lashes. And the fake lashes that I will go with is the SoSu 7 Deadly Sins in Envy, and they look like this. I don't know much about putting on lashes, but what I do know is start with your bad eye because it's easier to match the good eye with the bad one instead of making a good eye perfect and then trying to match it even more with the bad eye. The eyes are done for now, so we want to move on to the lipstick. And today I'm taking the W7, the all-rounder in the shade Fling, and lining my lips. And then I'm taking the Glow Makeup Ultra Matte Smooth Matte Lip Cream in the shade Hot Pink ML06, and it looks like this. Then, because it's matte and I don't like it to be matte, I just want to put some gloss on. And then you're like, why would you put a matte lipstick to begin with? Well, it's the only one I have in this shade. That is Barbie Enough. And then I'm taking the Isadora lip gloss. The lettering has faded so much I don't remember the name, but it is the 51 Pearly Nougat. Then I want to put on some highlighter, and the reason why I mentioned this is because it will affect the eyes as well. So I will be taking the Makeup Revolution Cheek Kit, Take a Breather, I think this one, the white one, and just put that with a large brush on the larger parts of my face. Then I'm taking a eyeshadow brush like this, using the same highlighter. Pop that on here. And then a small detail brush like this one. And same one, but in a corner. And then I'm taking some setting spray and I'm taking the W7, the vitamin C fixer that looks like this. And here you have it, a Barbie inspired makeup look. I absolutely love Barbie and I love this makeup look. I love anything that is pink and dramatic and defines my eyes. And the great thing about Barbie is that I like that I can define my eyes and my lips at the same time. And so that is all I have for you today. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you will be notified when I upload a video. And I want to give a big thank you to everybody that likes, comments, subscribes, and watches my videos, interacts with me. And if you're new here, welcome to our community and our corner of YouTube. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!